What's up, Kava Fine? If you're looking for a natural way to recover after a long workout, check out our kava in the Aluball Kava Maker. You mix up a traditional shell kava at the gym, calm those muscles and mind after a long and strenuous workout. Let's show you how to do it.
Here's how to make traditional kava in less than 60 seconds with the Aluball Kava Maker. It's as easy as making a protein shake. What's great about the Aluball is you're able to use traditional kava root powder. This is the most cost-effective way to incorporate kava into your daily or weekly ritual. You add 1 to 2 tablespoons of kava to the bottom half of the Aluball. You don't want to overpack it. I think making espresso, the kava is going to swell when it contacts water and it needs room to agitate, move around in the ball. Twist that ball on top, make sure it's tight. This is our original Aluball shaker bottle. The Aluball works in most shaker bottles. Then, just like you're making a protein shake, shift it up for 60 seconds. So 60 seconds, this will work its magic, agitate and strain out the unwanted root remnants of the kava and put all the good kava lactones into your beverage.
Bringing our culture, heart and soul, from Polynesian roots to the modern day. Kava together, we'll find our way.
The good thing about this is it's cost effective. You're able to make kava as quick as making instant or drinking an RTD. Really, it's as simple as making a protein shake, but you're able to use traditional kava. Works with micronized kava as well.
Chance of break from Tonga's heart to a bar in the States. Let's lift our cups and celebrate greats. Gather your crew, let worries unwind.
So what's great about the Aluball is you're able to enjoy traditional kava quickly with this modern format of making it. The same way my ancestors made kava for thousands of years, we just added a little device to make it quicker and also fit our modern lifestyles. After about 60 seconds, the kava will be ready to drink. Kava settles, so you're gonna want to drink it fast. If I'm on the go, I'll drink it straight from the bottle, just like a protein shake or any supplement. But since I got my traditional coconut cup, I fuse a little bit of modern brewing technology with traditional drinking vessel. So there you have a nice strong and smooth shell of kava made with the Aluball Kava Maker in under 60 seconds.